Happy morning, children. I welcome you all for the online information technology class. Who am I is the activity for this week, children. Kindly do the activity. In the last video, we learnt on changing the slide layout, rearranging slides in the outline tab, editing text object, moving objects, and copying objects. In this video, we will learn on how to go about with the word art, clip art, and shapes. Working with word art. The word art feature helps to create special text effects. Using the word art, you can make text curved, wavy, and shadowed. You can also apply 3D effect to the word art. Let's learn how to work with word art now. There are 4 steps in this. Click on the Insert tab. Click on Word Art option from the text group. Choose your desired word art style and then type the text. The word art feature will get automatically applied onto the text. Now let's learn how to work with word art text options. There are 3 different types of text options in word art: text fill, text outline, and text effects. Text fill option allows you to fill the color inside the word art style. So to do this, go to the text fill option, choose any color and see what kind of change you get in it. Text outline feature allows you to change the outline color for your word art style. So again, go to your text option in your word art styles, choose text outline, give one outline color, you will see a different color coming up as the outline. Now click on the text effects option, you will find a drop down list coming. There are different types of text effects like shadow, reflection, glow, bevel, 3D rotation, and transform. Choose glow, give a glow effect and see for your text, word art text. You will see that there is a glowing effect coming for your word art. Now let's learn how to insert a clip art. Before we learn that, we should know what is a clip art. So clip art is a collection of images. It is a kind of a gallery from which we try to take the images, whatever is related to our slide. So to do this, there are different kinds of steps. The first step is you'll have to click on the Insert tab. You'll have to click on the Clip Art option from the Images group from the Insert tab. Then the third thing is you'll have to type the category for which you want to search, and you'll have to click on the Go option in the search for the box. So for example, now I wanted different types of buildings. So what do? I type the word building and then click on Go. Now we'll continue with the previous slide of inserting clip art. So once you type the word building and when you click on the Go option, the list of clip art images related to building will get displayed. So once you do this, you will click on the Insert button which is near to the arrow key. When you give a right click, you will find that option. Just click on it. The selected image will appear at the center of the slide. So what do? We start typing the image related for our search and we click on the Go button, select the image, give a right click, you will find the Insert button and the image will get appeared on the center of the slide. Now let's learn to insert shapes. So before we learn to insert shapes, we'll know what is a shape. Shape is a drawing feature that helps in inserting different shapes into a slide. The inserted shapes can be resized, it can be rotated, it can be flipped, and it can be colored. Now let's learn to insert shapes. Step 1, you will have to click on the Insert tab. Step 2, you'll have to choose Shapes option from the Illustrations group. Step 3, you will find a pop-up menu coming up which will display a lot of options like lines, rectangles, flowcharts, etc. Now we are continuing with the previous slide. After this, what do? You will have to point to the basic shape and select the smiley face, and the pointer will actually change into plus sign and you can draw a smiley in the slide. It will be very interesting to insert text in the shape. So what do we do for that? You will have to give a right click on the shape and you will have to select edit text option. You can add a simple text to the shape. And once you do this, and if you would like to remove the shape completely from it and you would like to do a different shape, select the shape and then press delete key. The shape will be removed from the slide. Now let's learn to rotate the picture or shape or text or the object. To do this, first click on the picture that you would like to rotate. Step 2, you will have to bring the pointer over the green color node. After doing this, the pointer will change now to the rotation handle. Drag the mouse and rotate the image. Now let's learn to use your shadow effects. So to do this, step 1 is you'll have to select any shape. Step 2 is you'll have to click on the shape effects button on the drawing group on the home tab. Continuing shadow effects with the previous slide. So you will have to choose a shadow option from the drop down menu. Then select the offset center in the outer sub option. Then the shadow effect will appear on the shape. Now let's learn the usage of Format tab. Using the Format tab, we can also apply shadow effects. To do this, click on the Format tab option, choose Shape Styles group, click on Shape Effects button and choose the shadow option. The particular shadow option will get applied on to the particular shape. And you can also use your Format tab to rotate the shape. Now these are the answers for the activity which I gave you at the beginning of the presentation. Kindly check your answers, children. We will meet again in the next video class, children. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you, children.